In this video, I am going to show you how to recover the missing timeline in Premiere Pro. Okay, when you are all new in Premiere Pro, it is possible to unfortunately press the or cross the timeline or any element from your Premiere Pro. It is possible you can delete something or every element you can delete from your Premiere Pro timeline. Unfortunately press or you can arrange. When you try to arrange the Premiere Pro, it is hopefully gone. So the fast and easy way to reset everything or back to the first time when you open the Premiere Pro like this, you need to just go the Windows workspace, reset to save layout. See, everything is open. If you work in a sequence, you just click the sequence. If you already cut the sequence from here, sequence is available. Also this, hopefully you are working this with this file. Okay, or if you delete an element from here, specifically you can write like control effect is gone, right? Also the sequence close, also the timeline also gone from here. How you recover without resetting? You just go the Windows again, find here effect. Okay, effect is back. Go again Windows, check effect control. The control also back. Window, find the timeline also back. You just click the sequence also back. Also go the Windows essential graphics. This is essential graphics also open. Or if you want to another lumetric color, also here you just go Windows, see the lumetric colors. Okay, also if you want to another one lumetric source scope, you can open. So it means a check mark means this element is open in your into here or here any space. Uncheck means not open yet. Also the audio mixer, if you check, the audio mixer also open here. So you can find and click here and also find everything into here. Okay. Hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.